Yes, my people, good day. Remember that Camry with the bad roller bearings, the tensioner, the idler belt I made you here? Finally got it out. This is the part right here. But this is the crazy part. Check this out. Yo, hear that? That thing is bad. All right, listen to this one now. Tapping eyes boy and them on TV. Hear that? Yeah, that bad. That one. All right, let me see what the new one's supposed to sound like. This is a new one. Nada. Nothing. About this one. Nada. Nothing. All right. This is the belt tensioner, another one of them, right? Listen to this one. Hear that? That done. All right. Listen to the new one now. You see what I'm saying? So when these tensioners start going bad, they make quite a racket. Sounds like something coming apart, which it technically is coming apart. You saw the Mercedes video. But just wanted to point out to you how noisy these little things can be. And when the engine is running constantly, you know what I mean? And then it's getting hot. And then if it's plastic, this one looks like it's made out of metal. But if it's plastic, then the bearing starts to get hot. Then it melts the plastic. And then now the plastic disintegrates and then it throws the belt and then you're on the side of the road. This one plastic, this one metal. So can't really say that Toyota has a better design because plastic is right there, right through the mids, just like the Mercedes. But yeah, man, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, bless. Yeah!
And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.